Asya, Rashid, Seher, Edikoya, Mohammed Tariq, Deepak, Ajmal, Rameez, and Surjeet. Are you able to hear me well? Is my voice audible? Okay. So, are there any new attendees in class today? I guess Ajmal is the new attendee. Ajmal, are you there? Please respond in the chat box. Okay, so Ajmal, welcome to the class. Okay, and if at any point of time you are not able to follow anything, you can post your queries in the chat box and you can raise your hand. Okay, and is it fine, Ajmal? And please be regular in class, hierarchy. Okay, otherwise your grades will suffer. Okay, so please be regular. I hope everyone knows about the new software which has been launched, classchatter.com. You will be getting your assignments there. I hope you know the procedure of how to use it, and you'll have to solve the assignment. The first assignment for English has been given there. You have to submit it before Sunday. The deadline is also mentioned there. I hope everyone knows about it. Okay, Rafi. Okay. Ajmal, do you know about that software? Ajmal, there is one software. Okay. So just get to know about it because. Okay. I will tell you after at the end of the class. Okay. So please stay back for a few minutes. Rameez, I guess the password, you can ask the coordinator for the password. Okay. Whoever has not got the password yet. Okay. I will do one thing. I have got the passwords for each and every student. Okay. So I will give it to you at the end of the class. Fine. If you have any queries about that software, I'll sort out that at the end of the class. Fine. Okay. Fine. So today we are going to do, first of all, let's do some idioms. Okay. Followed by some grammar, and then we are going to continue with the topic emotional intelligence. We are going to finish that, which we were doing in the last class. I'm good, Mohammed Tariq. I hope my voice is audible, right? Okay, fine. If at any point of time you are not able to follow anything, this is for everyone. Please raise your hands or post your queries in the chat box. And please be prompt in your replies, because the way you behave in class, it is being judged for the grades, from the grades point of view. Now, can you see the slide, the first slide on the board? So under this section, we are going to focus on informal English, polite slang and idioms. Now, why should we know informal English? That is the question, right? We should have a good knowledge about idioms, slang and other informal usages to improve our spoken English, to get a better understanding while one listens to a native speaker. So sometimes, you might have seen some people, they use a lot of idioms. See, if you know idioms and, like slangs and all, it makes your English better. It makes your vocabulary better, right? Now, I take my hat off to all those people who worked hard to get the contract. So what does that mean? Taking off the hat. It means respecting someone, it means encouraging someone, it means congratulating someone, or it means welcoming someone. So what is the answer for this one? It means congratulating someone. See, if I'm taking my hat off, okay, then it means I'm congratulating them. Fine? Is it fine, everyone? Fine. So it means you can use this idiom sometimes, that I'm taking my hat off to congratulate you or to do something. Okay, that means I am congratulating you. If you, rather than saying congratulating directly, you can use this idiom. Fine? Is it clear, everyone? Sanobar, Aman, Asya, Sayed, Rahul, George, Raisi, Ramiz, Ajmal, Deepak, Mohammed, Adikoya, Seher, Rashid and Asya. I hope it is clear to you. Now, let's switch over to the next one. Some of you worked on until the small hours to make it a successful project. So what does it mean, the small hours? It means it was dark outside, it was early in the morning, it was late in the evening, it was late in the day. So what is the meaning of that idiom, the small hours? This is the question. See, you need to tell me the meaning of this idiom, the small hours. Okay. It means it was early in the morning. B. So the small hours means it was early in the morning. Fine? Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now, next one. I'm sure sometimes you all wanted to call it a day and go home. So what does that mean? Call it a day. What is the meaning of that idiom? Okay, Rahul is saying stop work. Okay. Yes, it means stop work. It surely means call it a day means to stop work. Fine? Okay, great. Now, next one. The important thing is that as soon as you saw the advantages, you got your teeth stuck into it. So what is meant by got your teeth stuck into it? What is meant by that? Deepak is saying C, that is got very interested in something. Most of the people are saying C. Yes. So if I got my teeth stuck into something, that means I get very interested in that. Fine? All right. Let's proceed ahead to the next one. I am also very proud of the way you stuck to your guns. What is meant by sticking to your guns? Stuck to your guns. What is meant by that? Okay. It means wouldn't give up. Wouldn't give up. Yes. Wouldn't quit. Okay. Fine. Is this much clear to everyone? Shall we proceed ahead? I need reply from everyone. Okay. So for those who have still not got the password for that software, that is classstarter.com, password and who doesn't understand how they need to work on that, please stay back after the class for a few minutes. I will give you the demonstration, and if you haven't received the password, I will give it to you here itself. Fine? So that you can start working on the assignments. In future, all the assignments will be there in that software itself. Okay? And you'll have to solve it there using the ID and password you have got. Fine? Now, next one. Frank was an old soldier and lived through many wars. What is meant by lived through many wars? Okay. Yeah, it certainly means experienced. So lived through many wars means he experienced many wars. Now, he had joined the army as a young man, but he wanted to live it up a bit. What is meant by live it up a bit? What is meant by live it up a bit? Experience the discipline. Yeah, that means experience the discipline. Ajman, is my voice okay now? Ajman, are you able to hear me well now? Yeah, good evening, Shibran. Okay, fine. Fine. I hope everyone is able to hear me well. Ajmal, just re-log in again. I guess other people are able to hear me well. Okay. Yeah, fine. He wanted excitement in travel and the army lived up to its reputation. What is meant by lived up to its reputation? Hi, Akhil. How are you? I guess this is your first class. Akhil, is this your first class? No, I'm asking Akhil. So what is the answer to this? Lived up to its reputation? Welcome to the class, Akhil. Please be regular in class, otherwise your grades will suffer. Okay, and if at any point of time you are not able to follow anything, you can raise your hands or you can post your queries in the chat box. Fine, Akhil? Yeah, came up to. The answer is came up to. Okay? Is it clear, everyone? See, the idiom for which we are looking for the meaning, it's there in bold black color. Okay? On every slide. Fine. Now, he certainly traveled and there was plenty of excitement which made it possible for him to leave out his dream. What is meant by leaving out his dream? Follow. Most of the people are saying follow. Yes, it does mean follow. So if you want to live out to your dreams, you have to work hard for it. Yeah, fine. He also managed to leave off his pay without any problems. What is meant by leave off its pay? What is meant by that? Exist easily on. That is B. Leave off his pay without any problem. That means exist easily. Okay? Is this clear? Fine. Ajmal, you are saying something. Ajmal, I guess there is some issue at your end because others are able to hear me well. Just check your headset or just check your internet. I don't know what is the issue at your end because others are able to hear me clearly, right? Okay. Now, next one. He lived on the simple food provided by the army. What's meant by this? Lived on. 8 only. 8 only. This is the answer. A. Correct. Fine. Now, next one. For some years he lived in because he liked to be among his comrades. Lived in. What is meant by that? And what is meant? Stay in barracks. Stayed in barracks. What are barracks and what are comrades? What are barracks? What is the meaning of word barrack? Have you ever came across this term before? What is meant by that? Please explain it to me if you know it. What is this barrack? Does anyone knows that? Okay. Who sleeps? Like who sleeps? Okay, let me show you the barracks. See, barrack is like, we can say, provide soldiers with accommodation in a building or set of buildings. So I'll just show you how it looks like. This is the place where, soldiers are going to stay. Something of this kind. I'll just show it to you. Let me share the image with you. The link is there. Yes, the link is there in chat box. Please click on that. Please click on that to see the barracks. And comrades means, colleague or friend. Okay? Colleague or friend. Yes, yes. Have you seen it? Shall we proceed ahead? Fine. Okay. Are you able to follow anything? Are you able to follow everything? Or you have some doubts? Yes. If you have any doubts from whatever I have taught till now, please do ask me. Okay, let's proceed ahead. Okay, fine. Now, he never really enjoyed living out. What is meant by this? Living out. Okay. Living out means staying in other accommodation. Staying in other accommodation. Yeah. Now, the last one for the day. He never did anything wrong and didn't have to live down any bad reputation. Yes, make others forget. Now, we are done with this. Let's proceed on to the next thing. Now we are going to do grammar. Okay. So we are going to cover modals. Do you know what modals are? Anyone has heard that term before? See, modal auxiliary verbs are used to moderate the main verb, that is to enhance or restrict the verb to a certain context. Fine. So it is used in combination with the verb and it is used to enhance the verb or to restrict the verb in certain context. Fine. Is it clear, everyone? The most common modal auxiliaries in English are can, may. Suppose I say I can pay the taxes. I can pay my taxes. So in order to lay stress on pay, I am using this modal I can, right? Expressing ability, right? Right, everyone? Okay. May, might, must, could, should, will, and would. All these are most common modal auxiliaries in English. Fine. So modal auxiliaries are used to enhance or restrict the verb to a certain context. Fine. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Shall we proceed ahead? Okay. Now, so modals. This is can is a modal. Okay. The past modal of can is, the past form of can is could, right? And negative form of can is can't, that is cannot. And past, negative past is could not. Fine. Okay. Now, could is also a modal. The past form of could is could have. And the negative form is could not. Could not have is again the negative past. Will, of course, will is a modal and past modal is would. The past form of will is would. Negative is would not. And negative past is would not. Won't and would not. Fine. Now, there are so many other modals too, like be about to. This is again a modal. Okay. Now, the past modal for this is what? Were about to. Okay. Negative form is I am not about to. And past negative is were not about to. Okay. Now, let's proceed ahead. So, is the concept of modal clear to everyone? And why is it being used? Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now, notice the usage of modals in the following sentences. I pay my taxes. So, what is the modal here? General declaration of fact, paying taxes is something I normally do. I can pay my taxes. If I say this, pay is a verb, right? Can is a modal, right? So what is can expressing here? Ability to pay taxes, right? Clear, everyone? Yeah. And I might pay my taxes. So might is being used in combination with the verb to tell, I mean, I'm not still sure whether I can pay it or not. I may pay it, I may not pay it. Yeah, not sure. I will pay my taxes. Will is again a modal. Okay. That means I'm going to do it in future, in some time. Right? I should pay my taxes. Expresses mild obligation. That means it is required. Fine? I could pay my taxes. Expresses possibility. If I have nothing else to do with money, I might pay my taxes. I could pay my taxes. Expresses possibility. I would pay my taxes. In this case, expresses reservation. Fine? I must pay my taxes. That means strong obligation that I have to do it. I'm required and I'm going to do it. Yes. Modals are followed by only the base form of verb, that is, and are not used alone unless there is a clear connection with the main verb. Now, he must finish his homework. This is right. Okay. And if I say he must to finish his homework, that would be wrong, right? Jack could heard the bell. This is wrong, right? Jack could heard the bell. This is wrong. But if I say Jack could hear the bell, that is right. Penny will going to the movie. That is wrong. Will going to the movie is wrong. Penny will go to the movie is right. There are many ways to make requests in English. The most common involves using the imperative and modals. So you can emphasize on verb while using modals, but you can also make requests by using modals. Fine? So let's see. The imperative is the simple form of the verb, right? The subject of an imperative sentence is as you, although it is usually not spoken. Open the door. Fine? So what is the subject for imperative? That means you should open the door. Fine, right? Will you help me? Yes, I will help you. So this is the subject, that yes. Pick up your toys. If I say this thing, what is the subject of this imperative sentence? That means you should pick your toys, right? I am not using that you, but the real intention is this, that you pick up your toys, right? Right? Everyone needs to respond. If you are not able to follow, please raise your hands or post your queries in the chat box itself. Now, open the door. If I say this thing, what is the motive? I am saying you open the door, right? Please help me. That means you please help me. The imperative is often used by persons of authority when speaking to subordinates, right? Like I will say, you should do this assignment. Please do the assignment. That means I am your teacher, I am giving you command by using imperative. Do the assignment, right? Please do the assignment. That means what is being meant by that? That means I am saying you should do it, right? Okay. Now, if you want to show respect and politeness, because nowadays, if you are not showing respect and politeness even to a servant, they won't work for you, right? They will simply, like walk away, right? So it's very important, whatever language you are speaking, you should show respect and politeness, because nowadays even servant won't, tolerate your, won't tolerate your coarse behavior. They will just walk off. They'll just walk away, and they won't let anyone else work for you, right? This is what generally happens. If I fired my servant, he or she won't allow anyone to take up the same job, right? And I will be forced to call them back again. Yeah. Now, if you want to show respect and politeness, you can use modals like, will you open the door for me? So will you? This is a modal, right? I'm saying, will you open the door for me? Right? So this is like showing politeness in English using modals. Would you open the door for me? So I'm asking you to do it, but by adding this modal, I am making the sentence a bit polite. Fine? Okay. Could you please open the door? Again, I'm making it polite by adding could you. Could you possibly open the door? Again, I'm making it polite. Would you kindly open the door? So kindly is again, I'm giving you respect. Would you mind opening the door? Would you be so kind as to open the door? This is how we make the sentences polite using modals. Fine? Is this much clear to everyone? Now, using to unnecessarily. Now, common problems with, like modals. They going to meet us at the theater. This is incorrect. They are going to meet us at the theater. Correct. He should eat his dinner. He should eat his dinner. But if I'll add to, then it would be wrong, right? He should to eat his dinner is wrong, right? He should eat his dinner. Right? Is it correct? Using to may, make it grammatically incorrect. Yes. I had better to go now. I had better go now. You must not use that pencil. But if I'll add to here, it will be wrong. So these are the problems these are common problems with modals. If I'm adding to, then it will make it wrong. Right? Now, use anything but the base form after a modal. John could heard the bell. Heard would be wrong, right? It should be John could hear the bell. Penny will going to the movie would be wrong. I have to use the base form of the verb. That is will go. Fine? There is a modal, and after this I have to use the base form of the verb. Is it clear, everyone? Using double modals. Sometimes we have to use double modals. You should ought to speak English. Should is also a modal, ought is also a modal. You ought to speak English. She might can help me would be wrong. She might be able to help me. So if you use double modals, it won't convey any meaning. And sometimes, omit be when it comes to modal expressions. Otherwise, your sentence will go wrong. They're going to meet us at the theater. They are going to meet us at the theater. Jack's supposed to take his medicine. Jack is supposed to take his medicine. Fine. Sometimes, what problems we face with modals is we use wrong word order in questions. How I can help you will be wrong. If I say how I can help you, that will be wrong. Okay, grammatically wrong. But instead if I use how can I help you, then it would be correct. Fine. Yes. Where I should go for the meeting. That is wrong. Where should I go for the meeting? Is this much clear to everyone? Now let us learn how we can use simple. Are you able to follow this topic? Do you have any doubts associated with this topic? If you have any doubts as far as this topic goes, please do ask me. What is your viewpoint about this topic? What is your view about this topic? Are you liking it or are you finding it boring? And don't hesitate in presenting your real views here. Don't fake yourself. If you are not liking it, we can change it. I don't mind it. Okay. So majority is liking it. Yeah. Yeah, I know this is a bit boring, but yeah, this is very much important because most of the students wants me to cover, grammar here. So that is the reason why I'm covering it. I don't cover it all the time, but yeah, I do teach you all aspects of English. So today I thought of, teaching you grammar. It has been long, right? Now, okay, we are going to continue with this. Let's solve a small paper. Okay. Now, what you have to do here, let me tell you. See, what you have to do here, let me explain it to you. You have to complete these sentences, okay, using the words which are there. Okay. Complete the sentences using the words in the box, then discuss whether you agree with each other or not. Is it clear what you have to do here? You have to feed the appropriate words in the specific words in the appropriate blank. Fine? So kindly do it. Kindly write the answers in the chat box. So writing a weekly dash or a to-do list is a good way to get organized. What is the answer to that? Wait, I'll do it for you. Can you see it now? You want me to increase the font size? Yeah, it's already 125%. Okay. Is it schedule or log? Yeah, just solve it. Everyone needs to type the answer in the chat box. It's not like you're going to solve it and others will sit idle. Yeah, please solve it. Yeah. And please pay heed to the spellings. Few people are typing the wrong spellings, although the spellings are already there. Once you're done with it, just let me know. Please finish it fast, then I'll disclose the answers. Okay. Okay. Once you are done with it, just type finished in the chat box. Let everyone else finish it, and then I'm going to disclose the answers as well. Okay, Deepak has already finished it. Please finish it fast. Okay. George is also done with it. Rahul is also done with it. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me disclose the answers. See, in the first blank you need to feed schedule. In the second blank you need to feed effective. For the third blank it's involves. For the fourth one it's achieve. For the fifth one it's factor. For the sixth one it's prioritize. Seventh is manage. Eighth is interrupts. Ninth is flexibility. And 10th is log. So how many of you kindly write your scores in the chat box? Okay. Okay, fine. Shall we proceed ahead? Okay. Now, complete the table below with the 5 activities you did yesterday. Don't worry if you can't remember the exact times. At the bottom, note down anything you didn't manage to do. Fine? Is it clear what you have to do here? See, what you have to do here, you have to complete the activities you have done yesterday. Okay, you did yesterday. Don't worry if you don't remember the exact times. At the bottom, note down anything you did not manage to do. Fine? Example is already here. Please finish it. Okay. Are you doing it? Is everyone doing the same? Please let me know in the chat box. Are you doing the second exercise or not? How about others? Yeah, you can share it here itself. Okay. Please finish it fast. Asya, Rashid, Seher, Edikoya, Mohammed Tariq, Deepak Shankar, Ramesh, Resi, George, Asya, Aman, Sanobar, Mohammed Shafwan, Samo, Sunil, Pio, Ajman. Please solve it. Shibin, Rinan. Okay. Fine, fine, Sunil. Great, Sunil. And what you could have done, which you kindly write the activities which you were not able to finish. In the section things I should have done. Is everyone done with the same? Shall we proceed ahead to the next thing? Everyone needs to reply. It's not like you are going to reply and others will sit mom. Shall we proceed ahead with the next thing? Fine, Sam. All right. Now, see, these are the time management, tips. So what you have to do, you have to read it and number them in order of how useful you think they are, with number 1 as the most useful one and number last and least useful one. And you have to explain your answers too. So you have to align up these time management activities in order, okay, from the most important one to the least important one. Fine. And why do you, and you have to give explanation for your alignment too. Is it clear? Is it clear what you have to do in the next exercise? You have to read the time management activities, okay, and then you have to align them in order from the most important one to the least important one, and then you have to explain it, that why you have placed a particular activity at number 1, why you have placed it at number 2. This is the last exercise for the day. So please finish it. And for those who haven't received the password for Chatter, who doesn't know about Chatter, please stay back after the class. I'm going to give it to you, the password itself. And if you have any doubts about the software, because from now onwards you'll be getting all your assignments in that software, so please try to understand it and make the best use of it so that you don't lose grades. It might be possible that you want to do it. You are good at doing assignments, but you are not able to do it because you don't know anything about that software, or you are not aware of your password. So it's better that you ask me here, okay, you sort out your queries here so that you don't lose grades unnecessarily. Fine? Yeah, Aman, just stay back after the class and then we'll explain it to you. First of all, just solve the exercise which is there on the board. If you have any doubts about that software, please stay back after the class and I'm going to explain it to you. From now onwards, you'll be getting all the assignments from each and every teacher there itself. Okay? So just make sure this is to bridge the gap between the teacher and students. Edikoya, just re-log in again. Who all have got doubts about that software? Who all have not received the passwords yet? Please write your names in the chat box. Those people who have got any doubts about that software or who haven't received the password, please type your names in the chat box. Aman is there, who else has got issues with that software? Aman is there, Ajmal is there, who else is there? If you have got any issues related to that software where you will be getting the assignment, that is classchatter.com, kindly stay back after the class to receive the passwords. See, no one will help you. I am here to help you with that so that you don't lose grades. So just stay back after the class and I'm going to distribute the passwords. This is for those candidates who haven't understood how they need to use the same, or who haven't received the password, or who are new to this class. Ajmal, this is an audio class. Kindly solve that activity. Okay. Fine, Sunil. So Aman has got issues. Okay, Rafiq has got issues with the software. Who else has got issues? Ajmal is there. Aman is there. Rafiq is there. Who else has got issues with that software? Adekoya, it's very simple. Some activities are mentioned on the board. The best way to manage your time under that heading, right? So what you have to do, you have to align these activities from the most important to the least important. Ajmal, this is an audio class. That's why you are not able to see the video. Please don't hesitate in asking about that software if you have not followed what has been taught to you related to that software last time. I have given you the demonstration, right? But if you haven't received the password, or if you are not able to follow how to use it, the first assignment has already been given. The deadline is Sunday and you can only type the answers there. Then only you will get your grade. Earlier you used to send the assignment to the coordinator, but now that things have changed, you have to use that software and everybody will have, different passwords for the same. You have to continuously log into that software and you have to check what all assignments has been given to you. Every week you are going to get 1 or 2 assignments there. You'll have to solve it. Fine, everyone? I guess others know about it, other than the people who are new to this session, or those people who were absent in the last class. Now, let me ask you one by one. Adekoya, do you have any issues related to that software, classchatter.com, where you'll be getting assignments now? The first assignment has already been given there. Yes or no, Adekoya? Have you received your password? Adekoya, please respond in the chat box. Shibin, Abdul Hakim, you have received the password. Do you have any issues or not? If you have issues, write issues. If you don't have any issues, write no issues. And do you know how to use that software, Adekoya? Okay, fine. Shibin Abdul Hakim, you have received your password or not? Fine, Adekoya. Shibin, have you received the password or not? And I hope, do you have any issues with the software or not? If you don't have any issues, kindly start solving the assignment which is there. You have to solve the blog thing and you have to solve the assignment as well. Every week you will be getting one blog, okay, and one assignment. You'll have to solve that. Is everyone done with the task which I have given you in the class? The best way to manage your time? Samo, from now onwards you have to use the software. You have submitted it to the coordinator, or you have written the answers in the software. I guess you have emailed it to me, right, Sanu? From now onwards you need not to email. You'll get the assignment in that classchatter.com and you'll have to type the answers there itself. No. From now onwards we have launched a new software, classchatter.com. Okay. No, Rafiq, it has not to do with IMTS. There is another software. You were not there in the last class. For those people who doesn't know anything about the classchatter.com software, please stay back after the class. Okay. Now, so we are done for today. Do you have any doubts? No, Asya. 7 assignments will be there. From now onwards, you have to use classchatter.com. Okay. Samo, just stay back after the class. Now, let me wind up with this class, and then for those people who haven't received the password for classchatter.com or who have any queries related to classchatter.com, please stay back. Now, we are done for today. Do you have any doubts? Anyone out there? Okay, Adikoya. And you also have to solve the assignment. Okay. So thank you so much. That's it for today. Only those people who doesn't know about that software where they need to solve the assignment, or who haven't received the password, or who doesn't understand how to use it, that classchatter.com, fine, Resi. Please stay back. Others can leave. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can post it in the feedback form. Okay. Fine. And don't forget to fill the feedback form. Yes, assignment of chatter classes. From now onwards, you will get all your assignments in the chatter itself. Fine. So others can leave. They can fill the feedback form, and those who have issues with the class chatter one, they can just stay back. I'm going to explain it to you. Fine, everyone? Yes. Ajmal. Okay. I'm going to give you the demonstration. Yeah, bye. So who all have got issues with the chatter? Who all have not got the password? Okay. Let me give you the URL. Yes, Aman. So, what is the issue you are facing, Aman? Ajmal, let me okay, Samu, see, let me give you the password first. Samu, this is your password. I'm just posting it in the chat box privately to you. Wait for a while. Okay, I'm going to explain it to you. Samu, this is your password. Please note it down. Samu, please note down your password. Who else has not received the password? Who else has not received the password? Samu, did you note it down your password or not? Who else have not received their passwords? Please let me know in the chat box. Ajmal, let me write down your password in the chat box. Please note it down, and you have to save it. Rafiq, wait for a while. Ajmal, please save your password, and you have to use it. You have to save it for your future. All the assignments you are going to get on that software. Fine. Now, Rafiq, let me give you your password. Rafiq, please note it down. Ajmal, did you note it down your password? Rafiq, this is your password. Rafiq, did you got your password? Who else has not got the password? Ajmal, please note down your password, and Rafiq, you too. Is anyone else there who haven't received the password? If you haven't received it, please let me know. Otherwise, you won't be able to log into that. How will you solve your assignments then? After this, I'm going to give you the demonstration of how you have to use that. Who else has not received the password? Samu, did you notice it down? Samu, Ajmal, Rafiq. Okay. Now, I will give you the demonstration of how you have to use that software. Okay. And in future, you are going to get all your assignments there itself. First of all, click on this URL, class chatter. Okay. Okay. Now, I will give you the demonstration. Click on classchatter.com. Open that, Samu and others. Now, did you click on that that URL? Just save this URL, okay? Okay. Just wait for a while. Just wait for a while. I'm just uploading the document. This is going to give you the demonstration. It has got everything associated with the software, how you need to log in. Okay. This is taking a bit of time, a bit more time, but just wait for a while. It will take some time. Okay. Samu has opened it. Samu, now can you see one section, student sign in? Can you see that section, student sign in, that is pink in color? Can you see that, Samu, Rafiq? See, once you will click on classchatter.com, you are going to see one section, that is student sign in. It is pink in color. Right? Right, Aman, Samu? I will give it to you. Class name is C. You save this class name and password. This class name and password is same for everyone. Just type this class name, which is there in the chat box, and password as given in the chat box. Fine? So for class name, you need to fill IMTS MBA, and for password, you need to fill IMTS classes, as mentioned in the chat box. Samu, please do it. Rafiq and Aman, you too do it. Ajmal, you also do it. Done? Ajmal, I have given you the password. First of all, did you open that link, classchatter.com? Did you open that link or not? Once you will open that link, you will see student section. There it will ask for a class name and password. Can you see that? Samu, Rafiq, Ajmal, Aman. Are you able to see it or not? Okay, Aman can see that. Now, once you will feed the class name and password, wait. Is my voice okay now? Aman, is my voice okay now? Aman, Ajmal, Rafiq. Samu, are you there? Samu, are you there? I cannot see Samu. What is the issue? Fine. Now, once you are going to do that, see, you have to choose the name from the student list. Okay. Once you will log in using the class name and password, and once you submit it, a new window will open where it will ask for student's name. So choose your name from that list. Yes. No. Samu, see, it's very simple. You need to click on classtracker.com and then you will get one student sign in and password. There you need to fill the class name and password, which is same for everyone. Fine? Okay. Once you will feed the class name and password and you will click on submit, you will get another window will open which will ask for where you will get a drop down from where you need to choose your name. Did you get that? Did you get that, Samu? Student and then password. Can you see that, Rafiq? Password is same. Password is the one you have to, the second password is the one you have got it. This is, specific for each student. This is, unique for each student. I have already given you your password, Samu. Rafiq. One. Class. No, Ajmal. What are you doing? See, this is the class name and this is the password. Once you will, log into classtracker.com. Okay, once you will open that URL, you are going to get, you need to feed the class name and password. And once you will submit that, another window will open where you need to choose your name and then you need to feed the password which you have got. This is different for each and every student. Is it clear, Samu? Is it clear, Samu and Rafiq? What is the error you are facing? Okay, wait. Samu, let me send you the document. You can read the document. Whoever is facing issues. Samu, okay, wait. Samu, Rafiq, Ajmal, did you save your password or not? Did you save your password or not? Which I have given you. Rafiq, your password is 2110. See, save this password, Rafiq. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate it tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate it in tomorrow's class. Fine. Okay, just save your password. I think coordinator has already emailed the document where it is mentioned that how you need to log in. Okay. You can read that document, and if it's not clear to you, then I will explain it to you again in class. Fine? See, you can read the documents, you can go through it. Okay, you already have your individual passwords. Okay, and still if it is not clear to you, then I'm going to explain it to you again. Fine? Is it clear, everyone? Class name I have already told you, Samu. I mean Rafiq. It's IMT. This one. It's there in the chat box. How many times I need to paste it? This is the class. Wait, I'm going to give it to you. Kindly go through the documents which coordinator has sent you regarding the software. It has got all details about the software, how you need to log in. Okay. It has got screenshots for each and every step. So you can go through that, and still if you're not able to follow it, then I'm going to explain it to you again in class. See, last time I took 2 sessions and I have explained the other students regarding the same. But few people were absent, so that is the reason why you missed it. If you want, you can see the recording of my last class. You'll get to know. Fine? And that the related document has already been mentioned. Yeah, see, once after that pink one, you need to choose your name from the students list, Aman. See, this is unique for each and every, I mean, everyone needs to feed that, Rafiq. It's not like whether you are MBA or not. Fine? See, this is just a class name. It has nothing to do with whether you are MBA or not, whether you have got that degree or not. Fine? See, once you will feed the class name and password there, Aman, you need to submit. and then another window will open where you need to choose your name and you need to enter the unique password. Okay. Okay, you can, I think Vashish, you can attend Vashish sir's class, okay? And he is going to explain it to you. You can ask him. Fine? Aman, Ajmal, you can attend the next class. I think you have got another class now. You better attend it. You can ask Vashish sir regarding the same. Fine, everyone? So I will wrap up the class now. You can ask Vashish sir. You can also see the recordings of my previous class.